Welcome to my first lecture for my course Top Linux Interview Questions and Answers. So let's jump right into it. So how do you execute more than one command or program from a single command line entry? Alright, so I'm just going to create this home user1 student directory. Let's go. Let's check home. This is a Ubuntu Linux virtual machine that I'm using, and I'm using the live DVD version of it. It should do for this course. Okay, so home, so make directory. Let's just first show you. Make directory. What was it? User1, and then student. User1. Okay, sudo su. Alright, so let's check. Still in, so make directory user1. Okay, there you go, cd user1. And make directory student. Okay, so alright, so let's go there. So we're going to make use of this command. Use a semicolon symbol. With one of the later questions, I'll show you an alternative to the semicolon, okay? But I think most of the time you would probably use the semicolon. So the semicolon, what it does is it tells the shell that it must execute that command first and let the background processes finish complete first. Then only it will continue with the next command, okay? And this is the next command, and then there's a semicolon which tells it, the shell, to wait until the process for this command is finished, the background process, and then only continue with the next command. Okay? So let's go into the student directory, and then unfortunately I can't copy and paste. We can test it, but I don't think it will work because it's a virtual machine, so it's a bit difficult. Okay, so it's lsl. So let's first show you what lsl is. I'm not going to go into the details of what these commands mean unless it's part of the question. Okay. Just to let you know, if you want some more information on a command, you can just do what was it? What is ls, or ls what was it? Help. Yes. Let's go back up. That was a bit long. Okay, so ls help. Okay, tells you and all the parameters that you can use, and explains to you what they're used for. Okay. So let's clear the screen. So we want to do what lsl. You can check what it means yourself, and then semicolon. And then we want to do cd change directory, go one directory lower, one level lower. That's what that means. Semicolon, and then ls -a. Okay, I don't do this. Okay, make sure that the semicolon is directly after the last part of the command. So that ... there. Okay, and obviously space, just like there's a space between those two. Okay, so and then we do LSA student, ls all student. Okay, so quick and short, not part of the question, but I'm just going to cover it quickly. You can check what this one means. It's to do with, if I remember correctly, size, change direct, and then after check the size of this directory. We'll check it just now what it means. Then change direct one level lower, which means go to that user one directory, and then after that do a ls all of the student folder or directory. Okay, so that's what it is going to do. So let's just enter. So we're going to we should end up in this user directory. Okay, because it's going to do these two. I'll explain to you. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is go back to student. Just want to check because I did this before and then I lost all the stuff I did. That's why I've got these notes. Okay, so fruit.c. What files did I create? Yes, file 1, file 2. Okay, so ls no files, so touch file 1.txt, touch file 2.txt. What was the other one? Fruit, was it fruit? Fruit.c, and it was also in. Okay, so touch fruit.c. Okay, so now let's do, so up arrow, up, similar to how it works in Windows. Okay, so now we should, before I go, let me put something in nano file 1.txt and entry 1, entry 2, entry 3. Alright, Control X, Shift Y to save it, out. Okay, so ls all, and ls l, as far as it's the sizes, more information. Okay, so yeah, so it gives you the size, the permissions to the file, and so on. And as I said, you can check that via help. So ls help. Sorry, I'm going off track a little bit. Yeah, there's L. Use a long listing format. So it just gives you more information about the directory and the files. Okay, so I'll try and go a bit quicker with the next following questions. Okay, so enter. This is better. So we're covering how we, first question, how do you execute more than one command or program from a single command line entry? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 commands on one line, command line, and the semicolon makes the next commands wait until this one has finished. Okay, so ls-l is, let me just double check here. Okay, this one is this last line, and then okay, so ls-l is this inside the student, gives you these results. Okay, and then when that is finished, it goes to change directory one level lower, and then it goes to this user 1 where it is now, and then do this, which is this. So it checks the student folder for all the files, including hidden files. That's why we've got those dots there. And it outputs that result. Okay, so learned a little bit more than what the question actually asks. This is how you do more than one command on one line. One command. Oops, what did I do wrong there? Can you tell me? Okay, so this is one command, and that's more than one command. Okay, so I can go back here and do this again. Now I'm going to go another level lower again. Okay, so it's first going to do LSL for user one directory, and then after that's finished, it's going to go one level lower again. So I'm now in home. Okay, but that's how you do more than one command on one line, by using the semicolon. There's another way of doing that. I think it's the wait command, which I'll cover later. Okay, so let's clear this. Okay, one after the other in the order specified, always in the order specified. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Okay, write a command that will look for files with an extension C and has the occurrence of the string banana in it. So what this command does, so let's see this part. It looks your entire file system on Linux. It searches for all files with the extension C.C. Okay, all, the asterisk means all with the .c extension, and this means, this parameter means all files where part of the name has this. Well, actually this, but with anything written in front of it. Anything. Okay, that's what the asterisk is for. And this means check search everywhere, and find, obviously find or search, same meaning. Okay, but don't use search. The correct command is find, but it means to search everywhere. I must just double check quickly. Let me just double check. Find. Where are we? We're in home directory now. Okay, so find the name. Okay, the parameter name, and let's see, asterisk text. Just want to actually C. Just want to, okay, it found it. Right, I just wanted to do a double check, because I don't use these commands on a daily basis, so sometimes I forget. But yeah, this part of the command makes it search everywhere on the system. Okay, I can even go down one and do the same command, and it will find it a lot more. So let me just fruit, and there you go. Okay, so it found my fruit.c file. Okay, so the question is, write a command that will look for files with an extension C and has the occurrence of the string banana in it. So that looks for the file, and then once it's found for all files that satisfy this condition, then it looks inside the file, okay, this part, inside the file, for text that's equal this value, banana. Okay, so let's go back and cd home, user 1, student. Let's edit the fruit.c file, and let's put banana in there, oranges, Control X, Shift Y. Let's create another one. Touch fruit2.c. Okay, and nano fruit2.c, and let's put in apples, pears. Okay, Control X, Shift Y. So I just wanted to show you quick. Cat fruit.c. There you go. That's the contents of fruit.c file and cat fruit2.c. Okay, so let's do this command. Find, let's go all the way down to the root directory and find. Okay, so let's just go, instead of writing it all over again, can do this now, and then remember the pipe, and then x arguments grep, parameter I, and then banana. So parameter I and then banana. Okay, always remember the quotation marks, because this most of the time means text. So it's searching for text that equal this value, text that equal that value. Okay, let's see if it finds. So we know banana, word banana, or the value, text value banana is in fruit.c. Okay, so it's searching, it found it. There you can see. Just ignore this. Okay, it found it. So it's in a student folder directory, and it's fruit.c. It found the word. Okay, so write a command that will look for files with an extension C. So it looked for files with an extension C. It found probably hundreds or thousands, including these two, fruit2.c and fruit, but it only found banana in one of them, which is my fruit.c file. Okay. Okay, that's how you do that one. So next command, next question. Okay, so I will cover from question 3 onwards in a next lecture. See you there.